What's up, guys? This is the simplest trade nobody talks about that'll get you six figures. I tested this business out in the worst possible condition in a town of 26,000 people, no carpet cleaning experience, and I built a six-figure business. Here's my point. If I can make it in Paso Robles, California, you can make it work anywhere. I always tell people if I can do it, anybody can do it. Because we're talking one of the smallest markets you can possibly be in. I'm going to show you why carpet cleaning is the most location independent, experience independent business you can start. We'll break it down, the real numbers, the simple startup process, what it takes to make it work, whether you're in a small town or a big city. By the end, you'll see why this might be the opportunity you've been looking for. Listen, I know what you're thinking, another get-rich-quick scheme. But you're wrong. Here's the brutal truth. While you're watching this video, someone who started the business 6 months ago is probably making more than your yearly salary. Carpet cleaning isn't glamorous, but it's the most reliable path to financial independence I've ever seen or witnessed. Stop looking for the perfect business and start looking for the profitable one. Understand this. People will always need their carpets cleaned, recession or not. Listen, I started late in life as a laid-off machinist with zero business experience. If I can do it, trust me, you can too. Most people think you need some special talent or background, but you don't. You just need to follow the system. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Let me break down some numbers that'll blow your mind. If you don't understand these profit margins, you'll keep trading your time for money instead of building wealth. As a part-time carpet cleaner, $500 a week, let's say, that's $24,000 extra a year, just working weekends. That's just 3 jobs in one day that should take you less than 4 hours to do, maximum. Listen, you got to price right. I charge $50 a room. Others charge $25 a room. But that's not the right business model. You need to focus on the business system, not just the cleaning techniques. And I really push that. So one of my students just hit $96,000 his first year. Started with zero experience, just like I did. Most people focus on competing on prices. That's business suicide. Focus on value and system instead. In most places, this business is an easily $100,000 a year working part-time. Listen, if you're just going to go full-time with this business, you can literally earn between $100,000 to $200,000 a year with just one van, one setup. Here's what really shocked me about this business. Everybody seems to think that you need to be in a big city to make money. That's keeping them from taking action. I built a 6-figure business in Paso Robles, California, 26,000 people. My target is under 100,000 people total. So if you can target 100,000 people, in most situations, you can start where you are with what you have. Use my reverse method. Build your customers before buying expensive equipment. If I can make it here, you can make it anywhere, period. The wrong way to go about this is wait for the perfect conditions. The right way is start building the systems immediately. Yes, and even small towns is big profits. That's a carpet cleaning advantage. Listen, there's carpet everywhere. So even if you're in a town of 10,000 people, you may not be able to be working, say, an 8-hour day, but in 4 hours, you can easily make $1,000 in this business. Let me tell you why starting late in life, because I did, is actually an advantage. While other guys are job hopping and hopping between online business opportunities, we understand the value of building something real. See, I spent 20 years as a machinist. It taught me attention to detail and system thinking. Use your work experience as an asset, not a liability. And if you're older like I was, thinking about doing this business, your maturity and work ethic are actually an advantage in this business. My machinist background gave me the quality control mindset that separates me from the competition. Don't think I'm too old. Think I'm finally ready. See, this is a simple system that actually worked for me. Forget everything complicated you ever heard about the business. This business succeeds because simplicity and not complexity. 3 cleaning solutions, basic equipment, proven pricing structure. That's it. Learn about the 3 chemicals I use and teach. No complicated mixing. No 20 different pre-sprays on your van. And master the phone skills that get customers before you start buying equipment. Use CRM software to turn one-time customers into lifetime revenue. Over 1,000 students of mine have used this exact same system successfully. Complex systems fail. Simple systems scale. The simpler you keep it, the faster you'll succeed. Remember what I said about testing this in the worst condition? Paso Robles proves it works almost anywhere. So this isn't just about carpet cleaning. It's about financial freedom and working for yourself, basically. Listen, if you're serious about doing this, if you want help to get started with this today, go down to the link below to the description and get my free carpet cleaning guide to get you started. Do me a favor, hit that like if I opened your eyes to what's possible, and subscribe, because I share real business building content on this channel every week, including much more. So welcome to Green Rhino Project. Hope to see you in the next one.
Started from the dirt where the dreams don't grow.